Hello everyone, and welcome to Northern's online mobile video conferencing solution for loans and new accounts. This is Northern's brand new solution, and it's available to you to use from the comfort and convenience of your own home. And you can use this service on your desktop, which we're going to show you today, and also on your mobile phone. And the nice thing about it is by setting it up and reaching out to one of our teammates, you can actually video conference with one of our lending professionals and new account specialists right from the convenience and safety of your own home, which is really nice. So we'll get started today. One of the things to remember is you do need to use the Chrome browser when you're using this program. We'll get started right away. So you can start by putting your first and last name in, and then your email address as well. And then you'll want to take a look at the terms and conditions agreement and just kind of read through that and make sure you're comfortable with everything that's there on the screen. And if you're comfortable with that agreement, you can simply click the I agree to the terms and conditions and click next. And on this screen, this is where you'll want to make sure on the desktop version that you have a camera set up and that you've got a microphone set up and that they're in working condition. And this screen will help you do that. So as long as I can see myself on the screen, I know my camera's available and working. And if I can see this bar moving with green, that means when I'm talking, that means my microphone's ready to go. So if those are both in working condition, you can remember my settings for the next time you utilize this service with Northern and click next. And today I'm going to be applying for a loan. You've also got the option to apply for a new account and have our team help you with new account servicing as well. So today I'm applying for a loan, and I'm just going to click video call to the team. The nice thing about this is that's really all you need to do. Once you're in, our lending professionals will kind of take it from there and start communicating with you and talking. Hello, Jana. Thanks for joining me today on this video training session. The other nice piece, guys, is this little chat feature down here. So Jana is going to send me a quick message and I'll simply reply. So we can interact through video and voice communication as though we are right now, and or I can simply chat as well if I want to emphasize something, or maybe even just describe it a little bit more. Or maybe I'm even just having trouble with my microphone and it isn't working. So I can say hello there as well and type out whatever else I'd like. There's a few other features that we're going to show you in a minute, but I'll allow Jana to work on pulling up a document so you can see how to sign that as well. The nice thing about this, though, is, like I said, this is all from the comfort of your own home. And so I can simply interact with Jana as though I would in a relationship center or in a credit union branch. A couple of the other features are mute and to hide the camera. So now this black screen that you're seeing here is what Jana can see on my side. So let's say I want to get up and answer the door, or my dog is barking, or I just need to step away for a minute and want to black out the screen. You can simply do that by clicking that button. You can bring her back, and I can also mute my microphone there as well. If I want to say something to somebody else at my home, don't want Jana to hear that. Once I'm all set with those features, we'll take a look at the documents. Jana's pulled up for me. This is a GAP agreement for GAP insurance. You can see here, you can actually see the documents in full visibility, very clear, and I'm just going to review these documents, and when I'm comfortable with where they are, you may be signing for an auto loan. You might be simply signing for GAP insurance. You may be doing a personal loan or a home equity or even a mortgage. So on this, I'll just hit accept to place my signatures on the form. First step is reviewing the electronic signature and consent form. You'll want to take a look at that and make sure you're comfortable with e-signature consent, and if so, click accept. And then from here, you'll just draw out your signature. So you can simply just use the mouse and draw that out and hit accept. And now that I've got that set up, I'm going to simply review my documents and make sure my signature showed up okay, which it did. And so I'm all signed, and if I'm comfortable moving forward, I'll just hit accept again. This will load the document back over for Jana to have for our loan side. When you're all set, you can simply just hit the hang up button, or Jana can end the call. We're going to hit that, and then it gives me a chance to describe my experience today. So we want to know if you had a good experience with us, or if it was a bad experience. We want to know those as well. We also would like to know if you enjoyed the credit union mobile service, and then how good the video quality was. So you can simply complete those if you'd like, or you can skip the survey. Just hit submit to finish it, and that's all. So thank you for joining us today to take a look at our new solution at Northern Credit Union. We really appreciate it.